The Nairobi Securities Exchange recently marked 60 years of operations and has added another milestone by opening the bourse to local and international investors who can now own a piece of the exchange.
So this is an opportunity for investors to buy shares in the exchange and participate in the growth that we see coming in our market. It will also allow us to raise the capital that we need to make the investments to support our business as we roll out new products so that we are able to offer a platform that is robust, that is world-class in every sense of the word.
The bourse is the second to list in Africa after the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, and investors have a 14 working day period to participate in the offer. The move is seen as a step towards the right direction.
The NSE has committed itself to come into full compliance with the new corporate governance code for public listed companies that just completed very robust industry consultations and received overwhelming support as bringing transparency, accountability, and governance in respect of Kenyan public companies into line with the highest global standards and further paving our way to increase the fund flows into our nation.
It builds investor confidence in our business as a market operator and places the bourse in a better position to facilitate the further development of Kenya's capital markets as envisaged in the Capital Markets Master Plan. It allows us to shed that perception that we have had and allows Wanjiku now to be part of us and to own part of the exchange.
But why list, one may ask?
The aim of this IPO is to finance the acquisition of new generation technology systems that will provide the backbone for the listing and trading of these new products, which going forward will not only have an incremental positive impact on the top line of the company, but also contribute to the development of the overall economy.
In addition to encouraging more public participation in the stock market and building investor confidence, there are long-term benefits to the country's economy.
Furthermore, the listing will enhance accountability, transparency, and market discipline, as well as corporate governance. The listing will serve to stimulate further innovation, to broaden products and service offering, deepen market participation and liquidity, and drive transformative economic development. The government of Kenya is proud to work with the NSE to accelerate the economic growth of our country.
Also, the bourse has new product offerings in store.
We will soon roll out our new products, such as the Real Estate Investment Trust, exchange-traded funds, and derivatives, in order not only to offer a wider range of investment channels, but to also present an easily accessible mechanism for hedging risks, be it on currencies, interest rates, minerals, or agricultural produce.
Going forward, experts remain bullish about Kenya's ability to become the financial hub not only in East Africa, but in the continent.
The Capital Markets Master Plan, amongst other goals, targets to have at least 3 to 4 new listings every year over the next 10 years in order to transform Kenya into a very vibrant jurisdiction for the raising of public capital. Now, when we look beyond, and that goes well beyond our borders of just the EAC, but really to a much wider target of Middle Africa, where we think Kenya genuinely has an opportunity to provide the most effective funneling mechanism for capital into the rest of the continent.